Children, take out your maths copy. We will use both the pages. So take out a page where both the pages are together. We will write on them simultaneously. Here, write the date, write classwork, give the heading, construction of table of 4, and on the next page, write table of 4. Now we are going to construct table of 4 in our notebook. Leave one line, and in the next line, which shape we have taken to construct the table of 4? Square. So we are going to draw a square. Draw a square neat and clean. You can trace the boxes that are given in your notebook. And what is our special number, children? Yes, 4. So we are going to draw 4 dots in the square. Like this, you have to draw the 4 dots and you have to write 4 here. Now follow the line, and here we have taken 4 dots in one box are 4. So 4 ones are 4. Now in the next line, draw 2 boxes. After drawing the boxes, you have to draw 4 dots in each box. After drawing the dots, let's count how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write the number 8 here. Now follow the line. Now write here 4 dots in each box will give us 8. 4 2s are 8. Now after 2 boxes, how many boxes we will draw? 3. 3 boxes or 3 squares. Okay? And in these 3 boxes, you have to draw how many dots? 4 dots in each square or box. After drawing the dots, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, what is our total? 12. Now, follow the line. 4 dots in each 3 boxes will give us 12, or 4 3s are 12. Now children, I have constructed the table here and I have written the table here simultaneously. Now after 12, I will explain you 4 squares. In each square, I have drawn 4 dots, and after counting the number of dots, my answer is 16. And in the same line, I have written 4 dots in 4 boxes will give us 16, or 4 4s are 16. Now in the next one, I have drawn 5 squares. In each square, I have 4 dots. After counting, I have received 20 as my answer. And in the same line, I have written 4 dots in 5 squares will give us 20 as our answer. 4 5s are 20. Likewise, I have done the rest of the construction and I have written my table here following the same line. You will also follow this pattern and you will construct your table of 4, and in last 10 squares, in each square 4 dots will give us 40, and 4 10s are 40. Okay children, so with the help of construction, we have built our table. This table you will write here one more time. Okay children, I hope you have understood the concept of constructing the table. And why do we construct table? To make our counting easy. Okay children, thank you. So complete your notebook work and send us the pictures.